someone to think of a motorhome, and in their mind's eye, they'll usually see a Class A model with its familiar bus-style front end. That front end is one reason Class A's typically offer more room than other types of motorhomes. The cab is integrated with the living area, and there is no separate cab to speak of. The other reason Class A coaches tend to be more spacious is that they're often longer. Winnebago's Class A's range from 28 feet 5 inches to more than 42 feet long. A Class A motorhome can be powered by a gas or a diesel engine. Gas engine models typically cost less, while diesels offer more power and can be more fuel efficient as well. Another variable, a Class A coach can have the engine up front or in the back of the vehicle, which is called a diesel pusher configuration. Because of their size, many Class A coaches offer what we call zoned living, where you have separate areas for entertaining, dining, meal prep, sleeping, and so forth. Up to 4 slide-out rooms can add even more space. And while all that space can be perfect for families, Class A coaches are also a favorite of couples who often have more time to travel and to appreciate all the features and space of a Class A motorhome. Winnebago has a full lineup of Class A motorhomes, including the Vista, Sunstar, Adventurer, Forza, and the all-new Winnebago Journey. Let's get started with the updated Winnebago Vista. Sleeping up to 5 people, the Vista 29V is designed for families that love to explore. Built with exclusive safety and convenience features, a full wall slide-out, and a tailgate package, the Vista 29V optimizes comfort and style. You're sure to find a size and floor plan that is perfect for you and your family. Plus, the spacious lounge is an ideal gathering place that easily converts to sleeping space. Generous ultra-fabric covered seating, including swivel cab seats, offers the perfect platform for dining, hobbies, and games. And the available powered studio loft bed, plus bunk beds on the 31B, adds to your overnight options. Add the available exterior entertainment center with 32-inch HD TV, 39-inch HD TV on the 29V, and speakers to transform the outdoors into your own living room. With USB ports strategically placed in the nightstands, the dining area, and near both driver and passenger seats, your portable devices will be ready to go when you are. And you'll enjoy efficient comfort with the Vista's 2 optional 13.5 high-efficiency, low-profile ACs, 35U standard, managed by a programmable thermostat. Additionally, an aftermarket solar panel installation and battery charger is available via a rooftop 3-way solar plug-ready port and a single port in the electric service bay, allowing for 450 watts of added power. This new model is available in 5 floor plans in 4 exterior finishes and 3 different interior packages. If you'd like to see a complete walk-around of the Vista from Winnebago ambassadors Kenny and Sabrina, visit the Key Features section of the Vista model page on this site. Now let's take a look at the Forza, the next model in the Class A category, and our first look at a diesel pusher. Sleeping up to 6 people, the Forza 36H is built for those who want the comforts of home while they travel. Featuring elegant yet practical design, diesel luxury and power, and versatile sleeping and seating possibilities, it's an exquisitely comfortable environment at every destination. The Forza's large gathering space features up to 3 slide rooms, benchmark dinette, true Comfort Plus sofa sleeper, rest easy sofa, or optional theater seating, optimal Versa cab seats, and redesigned overhead bunk for even more flexible family sleeping. Simple is always sophisticated. Balancing straight lines and curves, these traditional styles create a soothing, comfortable, and practical interior, ideal for active households as well as those who love to entertain. With neutral color palettes and clean, sophisticated designs, These exclusive new interiors are the perfect canvas for your own imprint. Wood cabinetry, Ultra Fabrics Primera furnishings, luxury plank flooring. They all combine to help you create a style that's on trend and high performance. Don't miss the indoors' greatest hits, even in the great outdoors, with Forza's available exterior 32-inch HD TV featured entertainment center. And the Forza's nightstands with USB charging outlet, 110-volt outlet, induction charging station, and removable shelves for your medical equipment allow you and your devices to recharge overnight. What gear should you bring? All of it. Freightliner's XCS chassis provides up to 222 cubic feet of exterior storage, leaving you plenty of room for all of your favorites. This new model is available in 5 floor plans, in 5 new exterior finishes, and 6 different interior packages. If you'd like to see a complete walk around of the Forza from Winnebago ambassadors Heath and Alyssa Paget, visit the key features section of the Forza model page on this site. Now the new coach many of you have been waiting for, the all-new Winnebago Journey. The 2022 Journey brings back a favorite name for Winnebago, and it marks our re-entry into the Class A diesel pusher category with a big bang. Sleeping up to 4, the all-new Journey is designed for those who demand a no-compromises diesel pusher, featuring premium amenities, best-in-class storage, and stylish design. The N Series is the ultimate in mobile living and entertainment. The all-new Journey is exactly what a lot of you have been looking for. It has diesel power, a super luxury driving experience, plenty of space for entertaining, and awesome new modern styling. Let's hear from some Winnebago representatives who had a big hand in making the Journey so special.
Our inspiration was to step away from traditional. We needed to do something different to provide an optimal driving experience together with a stunning appearance, both exterior and interior. We tapered the front end, we put high-mounted mirrors to enhance the visibility. Very stylish, good for entertaining, very comfortable to live in.
Was intrigued with ergonomic smart design, and I started looking at RVs, and I got a call from Winnebago, and here I am. A good interior should inspire you to be the best you can be. You know, I want this interior to feel like that piece of clothing you wear that just makes you feel good, and it makes you feel confident and comfortable and at home. I want to give you a timeless, quality, beautiful interior that you can make your own.
I think customers will be excited really in showing off the innovative look of this coach. I think they're going to get a lot of looks driving down the road or parked in the campground because it is different.
Wow, that is quite a new motorhome. The all-new Journey is available in 3 floor plans, in 6 exterior finishes, and 3 different interior packages. From Winnebago Class A gas models like the Vista, Sunstar, and Adventurer, to the diesel pushers, including the Forza and the all-new Journey, it's easy to see that Winnebago has something for everyone in the Class A category. If you're interested in learning more about any of these great models, please be sure to connect with a Winnebago representative or visit Winnebago.com, where you can find complete details on all of our models. There's also a dealer locator so you can identify the Winnebago dealer nearest you who carries them.